What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Buckethead. Today we were reacting to 5 scary videos filmed by a doorbell camera. As you can see, it says it right there. I'm not exactly sure, what I'm expecting. Obviously, I can see a big ass fire, so there's something to start off with, and it says it's in California. Without any more of me saying anything, let's just go ahead and get into the video, and we'll react there. All right, peace.
Number 5. What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
That is terrifying. That's scary. Look at her. She ready to go to school. She said, "Ma, I gotta get my backpack. We getting the hell out of here, bro." She ready to go learn.
The homeowner writes, "The fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home."
The issue I have every time there's something going on, the kids scream. I mean, she looks like Sonic the Hedgehog. Look at her. They scream so freaking loud. And it's like, screaming does not do anything besides panic. Obviously, it's a horrible situation. Like, a shooting. It's horrible. But the scream, he's going to just find you. Keep cool. Keep cool. Okay?
Get your dog.
Get your dog. Hell yeah. There's a forest fire, but let's get the dog. I mean, yeah, pup. Respect to that mom.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
It's okay.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people. Luckily,
Check him. Check him. Look at him. He's like, oh, he's stunned. He is stunned. Look, hold on. I don't even think I realized how long he's been there. Watch.
evacuation of some 40,000 people.
Let's see how long he sits there.
Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
He's frozen. He's frozen. Look at little Johnny by the car like, "Mom, we gotta go." Homeboy's like, "Oh." Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Sorry, it's a horrible situation.
Number 4. It's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Holy shit, jump scare? Where's the jump scare warning? What are you wearing a Aerosmith jacket for? Looks like you just got done with a concert. Is that really what you're wearing? What a jackass. This is why you need to put little paintball dispensers inside of your doorbell. So if you ever see this, let's say you get a notification, you wake up, you see him. Just pop! Right in the mouth.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Imagine how scared you gotta be. Imagine how creepy that has to feel. Knowing that he's inside. Ugh.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
No one gives a shit about Valorant, bro. I was trying to watch it. It just got good.
What do you need, dude?
Oh, I didn't mean to run into your house.
What? Sorry. I didn't mean to pull up in a freaking all black clothing with a hoodie on and open up your door and walk inside. He said, oh gosh, he found me. Let me play dead. Sorry. Didn't mean to run into your house. That's your scapegoat? Didn't mean to run into your house. Where do they find these guys? If you think if you're setting up a full-time home invasion, you're going to say, sorry, didn't mean to run into your house. And we're all whoopity smittily blippity. Like, come on.
Who the f*** are you?
Ooh, imagine how scared.
Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody got the back door, dude. Yo. For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I am not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
Bro, that's horrible. Oh, just this little backyard area. I'm getting the heebie-weebie-deebies. Because I'm currently, it's 1 in the morning. I'm filming this, recording this, and like, I'm checking my behinds. I got the chills. Let's just keep going.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious.
Daytime? Really daytime? They're growing some massive cojones to go do this at daytime. I mean, construction workers, the best you could figure out. Why wouldn't you do somebody like Girl Scout cookies and dress up as a... Nah, that's creepy. Okay.
He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove. No prints. Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Bro, come on. Door's open. That's a criminal. Watch this wave. Come on. Come on, it's empty. And the front door, doesn't look like a busy road, but...
Then he calls someone on the radio.
What is he digging for? Criminals are so stupid. If you're gonna do something, do it. Okay, that's a horrible thing to live by, but like, he's taking at least 5 minutes sitting at the door, digging in his pockets, looking for the walkie-talkie that's already in his hand. Yeah, I'm looking in. Like, what's the suit for? The suit, what is the suit gonna tell? The little vest, is that gonna tell the doorbell camera? I'm a construction guy, but yeah, I'm looking in. I'm trying to open the door with a glove. Like, does that make the homeowners think that it's anything better? With no mask. Like, there's just no... What the thought process is empty.
His partner arrives.
Look at Shrek walking up. He's built like a freaking Among Us. That's a Fall Guy. Look at him. Holy shit. Is that Mr. Wonderful from Shark Tank? Nah, bro. I've seen him before. I've seen that guy.
Armed with the tools to break in.
Of course he's a Yankees fan. New Yorkers, they're crazy. That was not...
In short order, they try and force the door.
The alarm's going off. Don't you usually get a notification saying that there's somebody at your front door, like if you're away? Don't you get that on these Ring doorbells? Why? What is the homeowner doing?
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
Well, there it is. Man, I'm a genius. I'm a freaking genius. Look at him. Look at this dude run. Look, he's gone.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away. And triggering an alarm.
Whoever created this video, turn it off, or at least turn it down, bro. Bow, 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 bow.
Number 2.
It is 1:30 a.m. And when this is the first thing I see, ah!
Number 2.
That is terrifying. It's horrifying. Spooky. Watch. Hey man, hey, what's over there? Oh, let me try to get some action. I want them to know that I am here too. Get your fat ass away. This isn't pizza. This isn't the pizza place. It's after. That's after. He bitched him.
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this?
Acts like you can't see it. The camera's right there, but I'm still in the frame. I'm in the frame. The camera can see you.
These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Where are they at? This looks like a barn houses. I'm trying to, because this isn't even like apartments. Apartments buildings are a little bigger. I'm trying to, what am I looking at? Like the cars are in the middle of the road and armed robberies.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Yep. The CPD is dressed up like that. The CPD is dressed up as a ninja from G.I. Joe.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
What the fuck? Who the hell asked you to speak? I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick. Dude, the narrators in these videos, what goes through their mind? Is it because, oh, I haven't talked in a while, let me say something? I mean, it's COVID season. You gotta wear the mask even when you do a home invasion with a gun.
He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
He's on the Ring doorbell. Let me wear the mask so people don't know what I look like. Pulls the mask down to reveal his identity. Obviously, he has a weapon. You can see it. And is dressed up like that saying, CPD, need to ask you a couple questions. Are you kidding?
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
He's really holding on to it, isn't he? He's really holding on to it. You can tell he's getting frustrated. Watch him. He's like, CPD. He just wants to get in. Watch him.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data,
This is like the nicest armed robbery I've ever seen. Okay, go ahead. Take your time. Like, there's no like, open the door, we're gonna blow your house down. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay.
Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000.
Why'd he go around back? I love how it says burglary. I thought it said burgers when he walked up. Dude, that is a big boy. Like, look, he's like, you get in front. I'm scared.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019. They try knocking again.
CPD, open the door.
They're getting impatient now. Can you please come to the door, please? And now it's, open the door. I'm hungry.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Oh, you think they run?
Finally, they give up and they walk away empty-handed.
See, but like, you think they're free? Hopefully they got arrested or something. Attempted on
Number
robbery.
1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
I'm so happy I live in Florida. People that live in like Kansas and like Tornado Alley, props to you, because that is terrifying. I mean, I couldn't imagine seeing something so monstrous just tear stuff to pieces. I mean, I've seen hurricanes happen and like floodings and stuff like that, but nothing like this. Nothing. You're just coming inside? You're just coming inside?
Coming inside? Nice.
No way he gets out of the car. Please do not tell me he gets out of the car. Okay. Great. Beautiful. Thank you for the cliffhanger. Is there going to be a sequel on it? Did he just decide to stop it before the dude got out? Probably because he flew across Kansas. That's probably why. Guys, I appreciate you guys. If you made it to the end, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I appreciate you guys every time. Hey, don't forget, always stay blessed. Keep smiling and never give up. I mean, there's dreams all you guys got chasing. Don't stop. Keep chasing them. And, you know, life will come to you. Whatever God wants you to do will happen. You know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate y'all, boys. Y'all take it easy. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It looks like you lost another one.